Hello friends, Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. A beautiful basket of freebies today over at Walgreens. Every deal seemed to work out perfectly for me, so I'm very happy about that. And I found a bunch of 90% off clearance medications, and a lot of these products were printing out $5 store register rewards. So I'll show you that towards the end of the video, but if you need to stock up on these aches and pains sort of meds, this is definitely the video for you. I'd like to extend a very big special thank you to all of my subscribers who watched this video, shared their stories where a loved one or they possibly got scammed. A really weird thing, I ran into a lady last week who was in the process of being scammed. I tried so many different avenues to talk to her, to help her, even volunteered to bring her to the police station so we could discuss this with a community officer. Told the store manager. I tried, guys. I really tried, and I even came up short. It's like she was under a spell with these scammers on the phone, and you got to watch the video for the whole story. If you have an older person, like a parent, loved one, aunt, uncle, who you really care about, maybe share this video, because it is good to put it on their radar in case they get a weird call from the IRS looking to pay their bill in, like, Apple gift cards or Walmart gift cards. Definitely share this video. This lady was very confused. I tried everything to help. When I do run into the manager this week, she wasn't working this morning. I'm going to ask for the conclusion or what happened, because I did talk to the manager for some help. But I appreciate everybody who was honest and shared their stories. And we are shoppers who are in the store uniquely at weird times, sometimes in the middle of the morning, late at night. If you see a senior struggling, perhaps befriend them, say hi, see what's going on. This lady had asked for my help, and that's how the whole story unraveled. But we can be the guardian angel to help people to try to avoid this, and maybe you'll have better luck than me. But definitely share this video, especially if you know somebody who's older who might be susceptible to something awful like one of these scams. Okay, guys, first thing we're going to talk about is this booster, a 7 back when you spend 25 on cosmetic products. This is valid till the end of April. So if this deal is just not up to your standards, you don't have to do it. You can wait, like that Kenny Rogers song. I'm going to recommend to do this curbside because curbside prices are a lot cheaper for cosmetics. And I did look at some of these prices in store. We're going to grab 2 of the L'Oreal makeup removers and then 3 of the Rimmel cosmetic products. And again, we're doing this curbside, so we're ordering this through our cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet at home, driving to the store to get the receipt and the merchandise. This has to do with Ibotta, so I will recommend, if your store does not print out receipts, you're sadly going to have to do this one in store to get that receipt, or link your Ibotta and Walgreens account. Many of you can do that. So on the Ibotta app, these are the rebates: $2 for the bronzer, $2 for the lip, and then $2 for the eye product. Make sure that you have all 3 and load them to your Ibotta account. So we're going to grab 2 of these L'Oreal. It's an eye makeup remover for $7.79 on a BOGO 50% off. We're going to load this 2 off of 2 IVC. And we're also going to load this 10 off of 2 that is in fact attaching with that makeup remover. So how nice is that? And then we're going to grab 1 of the Rimmel bronzers. There's a whole bunch of different foundations and stuff if you don't want this bronzer. And then 1 of these lip glosses, and then an eyeliner for $4.49. Now there's a whole bunch of Rimmel coupons that you have to load, including this $1 off. And we have another $2 off, and then the final one is another $2 off. So load all 3 of those. Okay, so the subtotal is $27.15. $1.50 of promotions, which is your IVC getting scaled down. Curbside pickup is free. $1.55 in tax. $15 in manufacturers coming off. $5 for Rimmel, $10 for L'Oreal. With your debit card, you're going to pay $12.30. And then you're going to make a submission to Ibotta for $6 back once you get the receipt, plus the booster of spend 25, get back $7. Well, you've reached that. So it just makes your transaction completely for free. You got a bit of Rimmel cosmetics and then some makeup remover. This might be a deal pour vous. If you do not like the cosmetics that I picked out, what you have to do is just basically go into the app and look for this message of spend 25 on cosmetics, earn 7. And whatever's attaching with that, that's what you can throw into your basket for an easy curbside deal with this booster. And again, you have till the end of the month. So if you don't want to pull the trigger on this, your choice. Store, look at this, guys, $8.49 compared to $7.79 for that L'Oreal makeup remover. So I think for a lot of us, this is a pretty easy, I know how I'm going to do this deal. I'm going to do it as a curbside because you have a bit more control. Rest of the deals that we're looking at are in store. So the first one is with the Gillette Foamies. We're going to grab 2 of them. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So that's $5.28 for the 2. And then you're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.28 for the 2 or 64 cents per. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, earn it to spend that booster, yes, you can. Just make sure you're not using a booster in concert with that. And then this gorgeous register reward printed for me, so the deal is in fact working. Now, where I came into a little bit of trouble was with the dental care deal. For whatever reason, all of the tagging and then the pricing in the app and at the till were completely different, so something is up. Buy 3 of these, get back a $5 register reward. I did not get that though. I got a $4 one, which is weird. We have 2 $2 coupons. Make sure you have both of them loaded. So grabbing 3 of the $3 toothbrushes, that's 9 on the nose, subtracting $4 digital, you'll pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 3. Again, nothing tagged and the rebate was actually working properly, so I have no idea. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster. And then my $4 register reward, here it is. But yeah, something was up. So this deal is back this week with the Cheez-Its. They're 2 for $6 on a buy one, get one free promotion. And this is going to be taking place right till the end of the month. So if you wanted to load up on some cheap crackers, this is definitely it. What it shakes out to, guys, at the till is 2 for $3 with that promotion. So I would use Walgreens cash if you might have it. And I think in some states you don't even pay tax on this. Now, a lot of clearance detergent, if you might be able to track down this all for $3.99. We have a $1.50 digital that showed up this morning. It would drop this jug of detergent down to $2.49. Walking down that pain relief aisle, where they have the Tylenol and all that good stuff, they have this rebate of $5 register reward when you buy 2 allergy or pain products. Now, I broke this up into many transactions because I had those $4 store coupons from the Garnier last week, and 90% off pain relief has my attention. And then to roll this stupid coupon, I was like, okay. And then another $5 store coupon was printing for me. Now, I had to break this up into small transactions because I was trying to use those $4 store coupons. And by chance, the Icy Hots, that's what I was putting into my transaction. So those were kicking back a $5 register reward, which was like, mwah, terrific. And then my second transaction, about $5 or so with the tax, those Icy Hots again printing out a $5 store register reward. So yes, it's working with clearance. So if you can find 2 cheap clearance products, that's a total moneymaker because this guy is printing, which is crazy. For example, 2 of these Icy Hots would be $2.18. Use some Walgreens cash and then get back a $5 store coupon. So that's a moneymaker right there. So, if you could track this down and you have the same clearance as I do, this is a moneymaker. Also, Tylenol, $1.19, grabbing 2 boxes for $2 and like 40-ish cents. Subtracting that $2 digital, I paid 40 cents about that for the 2. So that's really terrific. For 100 count, yes. Also have the Unisom. These look like little melts or something like that. $17.99, a new product for $1.79. So I'm loving this 90%. The Aleve, this did not print out a store register reward for me either, just to note that, but 93 cents. And then these Tylenols for 75 cents. I don't think they are classified as a pain relief, although they should be. And then this little guy, some sort of cooling menthol. There was only one lonely one in this store for $1.49. And then we also have a staple in any house, the migraine relief for 55 cents. I wish it was always 55 cents. What a great price point. to use that $4 store coupon from the Garnier last week, and all of this amounted to like $4.45, and to use that and to pay 45 cents for all of this. I mean, even if you're just gifting this to like in-laws, family members, or to have it for your stockpile at home, it's just a tremendous savings. So let's hope either Saturday or Tuesday your store starts clearing out these medications. Be on the lookout for that. It's always your mileage may vary with clearance. But with the pain relief and allergy meds, they're kicking back that $5 store coupon. So get out there and make this magic happen. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.